Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs, messages, energy check-ins, and prediction reading. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe. And yeah, hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganon rin po pagdating kay Perception of Light. Okay? So, yan po yung page niya, FB page. And yeah, don't forget to follow. Okay? Thank you. And sa mga naghahanap po ng healer, yan, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po tayo mag-message, no? Oo, and yeah, don't forget din na mag-follow kay Kuya Dingsi. Okay, so thank you. And syempre, sa mga naghahanap, sa mga nagtatanong, oo, pagdating po sa ating mga evil eye items. Okay, so all-in-one evil eye bracelet. Okay, available in red and black strings. This is adjustable. Okay, so ito po yung may initial po, ha? Okay, and yung merong 5 na color ng evil eye. Okay, so ito naman yung isa. Ito yung without the initial. Okay, this is garterized. Okay, so pareho po silang unisex. Okay, parehong unisex po yung bracelet, ha? And sa ating evil eye ring, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and adjustable po, no, yung ating ring. Okay, and syempre, yung isa nating evil eye necklace. Okay, ganyan siya. Non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and meron siyang extender na nabuhol. Oo, nabuhol siya. Oh my God. Okay, so, yeah. Okay. So, non-tarnish po yun, ha. Oh. So, kung may mga pagbibigyan, kailangan po ng name. Okay? Kung may mga pagreregaluhan, kailangan po ng name. Okay, syempre, kung inyo, kailangan din po namin ng name nyo, no? Oo, yung real name po, ha. And, syempre, sa pagdating sa ating granter necklace, okay, ganito siya. Yan, matanggap nyo po sa ganito na box, si granter. Okay, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and acrylic po, no? Hang on, yan. Acrylic po yung kanyang pendant. Okay, so ito po, no? Acrylic po yan. And, see? Yung likod din, ganun din. Okay? So, ang kanyang chain is flat. Flat po yan, ha? Okay, so again, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic din po. Okay? And syempre, kung gusto nyong gamitan ng ibang chain, pwede naman. Ang mahalaga lang po is yung pendant. Okay po? So, yeah. Okay, sa pag-aalaga, isasama na lang po namin doon sa pagde-deliver, no, sa lalagyanan niya. Okay, lahat naman nandoon na. Ipo-provide na lang po namin 'yon kapag i-deliver na. Okay? Kukunin na dito. So, made to order si granter po, ha? Okay? Made to order. Mas maganda maaga kayong umorder. Oo, dahil ginagawa po talaga siya, no? Okay, wala po kaming on hand. Oo, sabihin ni, pa-order po ako ng granter, bukas pong ship. Tayo dyan. Okay. Oo, so, yeah. And syempre, sa lahat na ng nagmamay-ari na naging owner na ng granter necklace, please be responsible, please. Okay, sa lahat po ng wini-wish ninyo, sa lahat ng pinapag-grant ninyo kay granter, please, maging responsible. Okay po? And, yeah, mga feedbacks ng ating granter and ang ating mga items. So, nasa page lang po kung gusto nyong makita kung ano bang meron. Okay? So, si granter, taga-grant. Okay? Ang ating mga evil eye items, taga-protect. Okay po? So, yes. So, kung may mga tanong pa, message lang po kayo, ha? Ganun lamang. Oo, kasimple. Kasimple-simple. Okay. Air signs. Let's start with you. Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Okay. Air signs. Ano bang meron? Oo, dito muna itong buhok ko. Okay. Air signs, messages. Anong meron para sa mga air signs? Hermit. Okay, nakakuha ko dito ng appointments, schedules, meetings. Okay? May mga aaralin, may mga paplanuhin. Okay? Ano yung Hermit? Yeah. The Ace of Swords Universe. Na pwedeng hindi rin sasang-ayunan ng iba. Yes. So, mas maganda, itago nyo na lang. Lalo na kung mga pang sarili lang na kagustuhan sa buhay, tago nyo na lang. Huwag nyo na ipaalam sa iba. No? Kapag nag-manifest niya na, tsaka nyo na lang sabihin. Opo, baka mausog. Totoo yun. Oo. Okay? Next, Four of Coins. Nakakuha ko ng energy dito na merong mag-i-invest. May magbubukas ng bangko. ng account sa bangko. Okay. Yeah, someone younger. Pwedeng anak mo. Anak mo pagbubukas mo ng bank account. Mga ganyan. Okay? So, yeah, yun lang. Meron din dito ako nakukuha energy na pwedeng meron ditong message na darating about money. Okay? I think this is something good. Kasi kailangan yung i-secret kung anong meron. Lalo na po you don't need to post everything sa social media. Okay? Lalo na pagdating sa pera. Okay? Be careful. What else? Someone is holding back communicating with you. An earth sign. Okay? Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Okay. So, Three of Wands. Yeah, this is something good. Manifesting. The Three of Wands. Okay? Let's see. What's with the Three of Wands? The Five of Wands Universe. All in all. Okay? All in all. Lahat ng ina-action na ninyo. Okay? Kung nag-expect kayo, mag-manifest kayo ng maganda, ha? Okay? This may be the right timing para mag-manifest. Excuse me. No? Yeah, the Eight of Coins. So, kapag nagma-manifest, kailangan may kasamang effort. Okay po. Oo, hindi yung nakahiga ka lang buong maghapon sa bahay nyo, tapos magma-manifest ka ng something na maganda. Magkakaroon ako ng ganto. Oo, kahit wala kang gawin. Hello? Okay, ganun lang, oo. Okay? Some of you, meron ditong nahihiyang makipag-communicate, gusto makipag-ayos. Pwedeng fire sign, fire sign, Virgo, Aquarius, earth sign. Okay? Iba rito, may travel ako nakikita and magiging smooth yung travel na yon. Okay, that's nice. Next. Okay. Next is fire signs. Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. So, anong meron? Anong message for fire signs? King of Cups in reverse. What's that? Four of Cups in reverse. May nakatagong emosyon. Okay? And this is water sign. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Some of you, katrabaho mo to. Kasamahan mo, nakakasama mo sa trabaho. Yeah, a co-worker. Okay? What's with this King of Cups in reverse? Anong meron? Anong meron sa kanya? Death in reverse. Big water sign. Tagon-tago, Hermit. The Fool. So, may chance na pwedeng may takot ito na malaman mo. Okay? May takot siyang mabunyag, mabuko. Parang gano'n. I don't know why. Okay? Yeah, meron siyang emosyon pagdating sa'yo. Next. Five of Wands in reversed. Ooh, the Hierophant. Work career, relation, may tatapos na problem. Okay? Five of Wands, universe. May mga masusolusyonan, may mga darating na tulong, solusyon, pagdating dyan. Okay? Some of you, may chance na ikasal sa isang fire sign like you and sa isang Cancerian. Yeah, the Seven of Cups in reverse. May mafi-fix dito. Okay? May matutuloy na schedule, may matutuloy, yeah. I think na-resched to and I think, yes, parang matutuloy na kung ano man yun. I don't know. Okay, some of you, this is pagdating sa pagpapagawa ng bahay. Specific po yun ha, hindi yun para sa lahat. Okay? Yeah. Pwede kasing na-delay or na-pending before. So, ngayon, babalik uli. May chance na mag-ongoing na ulit, no? Kung ano man yun. Okay? May makikipag-ayos, may makikipagbalikan sa'yo. Fire sign. Pwedeng fire, water, Cancer. Okay. Wheel of Fortune in reversed. Aha. What's that? Ten of Wands in reverse. Drop ninyo yung lahat ng past baggages, please. Okay, yeah. Ito pa, pinagpatibay pa ng the world na naka-reversed. Past baggages. Okay, mga unsettled. Oo. Mga unfinished business. Yan. Kailangan na po talagang isuko, ibitaw, hayaan na, bitawan na, kalimutan na. Parang ganyan. Yeah, the Magician in reverse. Nakakaawa eh. Nasisira nyo mismo yung sarili ninyong frequency kapag ginagawa nyo yan. Okay po. Imbis na maganda na yung dumating, nawawala. Kayo mismo yung sumisira. Sa totoo lang. Okay? So there. Yung mga minamanifest ninyo, yes, namamanifest, yes, nagagawa, nabubuo, pero pagdating sa inyo, hindi kayo magka-frequency ng inyong minamanifest. Nagets nyo? Sana nagets nyo. Okay, so next, water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay. Messages, energy check-ins, prediction. Anong meron? Water signs. Six of Cups in reversed. Woo! Someone is bitter. Okay, you have like an ex na talagang bitter na bitter pa rin. Yeah, the Five of Swords in reverse. Gusto ka na tong kalimutan actually, pero hindi pa rin niya magawa. Water, air. Why? Why the Five of Swords in reverse? Ooh, the Three of Cups in reverse. Nandito yung parang may energy ng third party or no label. Okay? Meron ditong taong bitter. Maybe ikaw. You want someone na pwedeng gusto mo nga na makakonect, makarelasyon. Yeah. So, may chance rin dito na pwedeng may mga kaibigan kayo na talagang may feelings for you pero they don't know how na kung paano nga, no, na mag-express sa'yo maybe. Like that. Yeah, Eight of Pentacles. What's with that? The Page of Swords. May mga aaralin. Yung iba sa inyo. May mga sisimulan. May mga susubukan. Okay? Yeah, the Hierophant. Na pwedeng maging okay naman ang result if ever na gawin. Okay? There's an offer coming, I think, regarding work. Okay? May chance ng offer. Yeah. Lalo na sa panahong kailangan mo. Okay? Yes. You have a stalker, water sign. You have a stalker. Pwedeng kasamahan mo to sa workplace. Okay, some of you, you're under evaluation. Okay, kung tama bang bigyan kayo ng offer pagdating sa work. Okay, what else? The Knight of Wands in reversed. Oh. What's that? Oh, the Queen of Cups. Okay, what's that? Let's see, mamaya ako magasalta. Okay, Knight of Wands in reversed. Oh, the Eight of Wands. Some of you, meron kumukonect sa inyo, may nakikipag-usap sa inyo na player, fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sag. You're getting attached. Yeah, you're starting na ma-attach sa kanya. Be careful. Okay? What's with the Queen of Cups? Four of Cups. Hayaan mong mag-isip ng mag-isip. Oo, wag ka magiging open or transparent or available dito. Okay? Communication lang ang kaya nitong ibigay sa'yo. Not commitments. Okay? Some of you, pera ang gusto niyan sa'yo kung may pera ka. Or talagang attracted lang sa'yo. Gusto lang ng may makuha. Something. Be careful. Okay. Next. Earth signs. Okay. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Messages, energy check-ins, and prediction for Earth signs. Earth signs. Okay. Six of Coins in reversed. And Hermit in reversed. Iba sa inyo, no? May nangungutang sa inyo, no? Oo. Okay, so wala pa rin. Detailed yon. Wala pa rin. Wala pa akong energy na magbabayad sila. Okay. Yan mo na. Nakita ko si Tower. Oo. Kung di man sila magbayad, I don't know. Depende sa kung anong dahilan nila. Kung totoo man, depende na kung anong gagawin. Kay ng karma sa kanila. Yes. Pero wag nating ihilingin yung karma. Actually. Don't play with frequencies. Yeah. Okay. Five of Wands in reversed. Ten of Cups in reversed. An issue, family issue na pwedeng ma-fix. Okay. Ano tong Ten of Cups in reversed? You're a Fool. Parang may magsisimula muli, may mag-start muli. Meron ako nakikita ritong tito mo, tita mo, parang natatakot sa kung anong pwede mo pang gawin. Okay? So, maybe some of them, they're acting kung anong dapat nilang i-act sa harap mo. Well, what? Bakit? Okay. What else? Earth sign. Ace of Wands in reverse. Energy ng delay. What's that? The Three of Wands. Lahat ng minamanifest mo, maybe, may chance ng delay. Some of you travel. Going somewhere far. Okay? Why the Ace of Wands is in the reversed? Temperance. Okay. So, may chance na sabihin nating yung iba sa inyo, no? Kung merong pupuntahan somewhere malayo, and I think hindi naman masyadong kailangan, wag muna. Opo, wag muna, ha? Okay? This is a gabay actually. Mhm. Some of you, mayroon ditong lakad nga na pwedeng ma-reschedule dahil hindi available. Merong hindi available. Okay? So, yeah. The Eight of Cups. Merong mga uuwi, merong hindi matutuloy. There's delay. Patungkol naman sa mga minamanifest, lalo na pagdating sa pera, may kaunting kurot, no? Oo. May kaunting kurot, pero lilipas din to. Okay, yeah. The Eight of Swords Universe. Lilipas at lilipas rin. Okay? So, kung meron ngayong down, 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 lilipas rin yun, mag-up, up, up, up na ulit. Okay? Oo. Opo, oo. Ganun yun, no? Okay, so hindi naman palaging down, down, down. Okay? Siyempre, hindi nyo rin nahayaan na laging down, down, down. Okay? So, yun, ang ating reading for you. Oo. Naku, may humabol pa nga. Oo. Earth sign, may bumabalik, may gustong bumalik. Hindi nila malaman ang gagawin. Hinihintay ka na. Okay? Gustong gusto ka na itong makita. Fire sign, water sign. Okay? So there, yun ang ating reading for you, all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. Thank you! Bye!